Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You're watching the fifth match here in round two. It's the ladies versus the gentlemen. Cornwall College just ahead on 5 points. Holy Childhood High on 4. As we run into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Cornwall College, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which judge made a rash vow that resulted, yes, in the sacrifice of his daughter? Correct. What type of gaseous exchange takes place in the alveoli, in the lungs?
Respiration.
No, diffusion. What is the past participle of shrink?
Shrunk.
Yes. Which European country officially adopted the euro currency in 2023?
So, France.
Croatia. Which article is the specialty of a cobbler?
Cobbler. So, shoes.
Yes. Which South American country owns Easter Island?
So, Argentina.
No, Chile. Who composed the soundtrack for the movie Black Panther?
Pass.
Ludwig Göransson. What is the oxidation state of carbon in methane?
So, -2.
-4. What is the sum of the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence which begins 1, 4, 9?
1, 4, 9. So, 20.
55. In the 2001 movie The Fast and the Furious, who played the role of Dominic Toretto? Yes. Who was the founder and central leader of the Bolsheviks? We won't have time, I'm sure you knew that was Vladimir Lenin. Well done, Cornwall College, for your first minute. Holy Childhood High, we're coming over to you now. Time for your first minute here in the Speed Challenge. In the Bible, what was the name of the servant girl who recognized Peter's voice at the gate after his miraculous release from prison?
Rhoda.
Yes. What pigment enables plants to absorb light energy for photosynthesis?
Chlorophyll.
Sorry?
Chlorophyll.
Yes. What is the past tense of forbid?
Forbode.
No, forbade or forbade. Which global body oversees refugee protection worldwide?
United Nations High Commission for Refugees.
High Commissioner for Refugees. Yes, we'll take it. Which article is the specialty of a philatelist?
Coins.
Stamps. Through how many South American countries does the Andes mountain range pass?
5.
7. Who composed the score for the 1994 version of the Lion King movie?
James Borgson.
No, Hans Zimmer. Apart from amphoteric, what other name is used for a substance that can act as both an acid and a base?
Neutral.
No, amphiprotic. What is the sum of the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence, which begins 3, 6, 9, 45? Who played the character Morpheus in the Matrix movies? And that's the bell already. That was Lawrence Fishburne. Well done, ladies, for your first minute. Cornwall College, coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. Who captained the Reggae Boys senior team at the 2023 Gold Cup? Yes, calculate the work done by the brakes in bringing to a stop a 1,000-kilogram car traveling at 30 meters per second.
Pass.
450,000 joules. Translate into English, the Spanish. Ella te habría llamado si hubiera tenido tu número. She would have called you if she had your number. In which Shakespearean play are the characters Ophelia, Horatio, and Claudius?
Hamlet.
Yes. In which parish in Jamaica would you find the Arbuthnot Gallimore High School?
St. Elizabeth.
St. Anne. In the Bible's Old Testament, who was the father of Obed?
Ehud.
Boaz. The cochlea in the human ear resembles the shell of which creature?
Snail.
Yes. Spell judiciary.
Judiciary.
Yes. Who is the president of Panama?
So Jose Harry.
Sorry?
Jose Harry.
No, Jose Raul Molino. What is the English translation for the Latin legal term mens rea?
Pass.
Guilty mind. What is the most populous state in the United States?
California.
And that is California indeed, but the bell came. Well done, gentlemen, for your second minute. Holy Childhood coming back now for your second minute. In what year did the Russian Revolution take place?
1917.
Yes, who resigned as Reggae Boys head coach in November 2025?
Grimson.
No, Steve McLaren. 2 resistors of 3 ohms and 6 ohms are connected in parallel to a 12-volt supply. What is the total current drawn from the supply?
24 amperes.
Sorry?
24 amperes.
No, 6 amps. Translate into English, the Spanish. Aunque estaba cansado, siguió trabajando.
I don't have work tomorrow.
Although he was tired, he kept working. In which Shakespearean play are the characters Don Pedro, Prince of Aragon, and his brother Don Juan?
The 2 Gentlemen of Verona.
No, Much Ado About Nothing. In which parish in Jamaica would you find the Happy Grove High School?
St. Anne.
No, it's in Portland. In the Bible's Old Testament, who was the mother of Joseph's son, Ephraim?
Asenath.
Yes, the eustachian tube connects what specific part of the body to the middle ear in humans?
The mouth. Mouth.
No, the pharynx. Spell farcical.
Farsical.
No, Farcical. Who won the Honduran presidential election in December 2025? You won't have time. It's Nasri Asfura. Well done, though, ladies, for your second minute. Soon come, gentlemen, time for your third and final minute here in the Speed Challenge. Who composed the Moonlight Sonata?
Ludwig van Beethoven.
Yes. What is the oxidation state of nitrogen in nitrogen oxide?
+4.
Yes. Dioxide, that's correct. Got it right. What are the factors of x squared minus x minus 6?
2 and 3. So
X minus 2, X plus 3.
No, x minus 3, x plus 2. Who won an Oscar for Best Actor for his role in the movie Manchester by the Sea?
Casey Affleck.
Yes. Specifically, who was the last Tsar of Russia?
Tsar Nicholas II.
Good.
Yes. For which English Premier League football team does Patrick Dorgu play?
Dorgu. So,
Arsenal.
Manchester United.
That's correct. Whose law states that for a given mass of a gas at constant temperature, the volume of the gas
Where's
is
law?
inversely, yes, proportional to the pressure. Translate into English, the Spanish, ¿de qué estás hablando?
Blando, what do you speak?
How
What
long
do
do
you
you
speak?
speak?
What are you talking about? Who wrote the novel Brown Girl, Brown Stones?
So, Carly Browning.
No, Paul Marshall. Complete the Jamaican proverb, peacock-eyed him foot.
When you work in tail.
Yes, in the Bible, Gershon and Kohath were children of which of Jacob's sons? You won't have time. That was Levi. Well done, Cornwall College, for your third and final minute there. Holy Childhood. Time now for your third and final minute. What is the English translation for the Latin legal term actus reus?
Act of God.
Guilty act. What is the least populous state in the USA?
Idaho.
Wyoming. Who composed the piano suite Clair de Lune?
Beethoven. Claude Debussy.
Claude Debussy. Something else came first, judges. Wrong answer came first. What is the oxidation state of carbon in carbon monoxide?
-1.
Plus 2. What are the factors of x squared plus 3x minus 4?
X plus 4, X minus 1.
Yes. Who won an Oscar for Best Actor for his role in the movie Bohemian Rhapsody?
Jim Malek.
Rami Malek. Which Frenchman was called the Incorruptible by his supporters and
Napoleon
bloodthirsty
Bonaparte.
dictator? Sorry?
Napoleon Bonaparte.
No, Maximilian Robespierre. For which English Premier League football team does Leandro Trossard play?
Arsenal.
Yes, whose theorem states total energy per unit volume of a non-viscous incompressible fluid in a streamlined flow remains constant?
Archimedes.
No, Bernoulli's theorem. Translate into English, and we won't have time to translate because that's the bell already. That's the end of your third and final minute, Holy Childhood. That's the end of the Speed Challenge. Scores in the match look to be Cornwall College pulling ahead to 20 points. Holy Childhood High still very much in the game on 11. We go to the break now with a good word from True Milk. Take brain breaks. Do something fun in between study sessions. Indeed. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. Round 2 action in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.